In the heart of rural India, we embarked on a mission to uplift communities beyond our factories much before the CSR Act. Under our corporate social responsibility program called Khushhali, we aim to spread happiness and prosperity through impactful programs focused on mother and child health, sanitation, education, livelihood, and skilling and rural development. Through collective effort, we aim to create a lasting legacy of hope and transformation.